Before we dive into today's EA, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are reviewing the Alpha EA Incubator for MT4 and MT5 from Smart EA Incubator. This is a commercial system marketed heavily for prop firm challenges and live accounts. So let's examine the claims carefully and with the usual dose of realism. Okay, so from the product page, you can see that the Alpha EA Incubator is described as working on any pair and any time frame. Let's see, it can work on any pair and any time frame. Um, The best settings will be provided to you by default. As you can see, like I said, it works on any pair and any time frame. So the options are a lot, but they share the ones they mostly focus on in their VIP Telegram channel, which according to them, you'll be added to or you'll be added in after you grab your license. It's said to analyze the market with technical analysis and is programmed to trade only above 90% accuracy, according to them. The developer claims average monthly profits between 8% and 20%, with average drawdown less than 5% on low risk. So the system is positioned for prop firms as well as personal and funded accounts. After purchase, buyers, like I said, are then added to the VIP Telegram channel where the preferred settings are shared. The licenses are delivered via Telegram and tied to VPS IP addresses. A bonus Tobo Gold indicator or incubator rather is mentioned under certain purchase conditions. Important notes on the page state that having open trades for a few days in drawdown is normal and that users should be patient until the EA closes them in profits. Manual intervention or running other robots on the same account is strongly discouraged. Right, as for the features marketed, um, the marketed features include customizable lot size and other settings, flexible risk management, full setup guide, unlimited accounts, and lifetime license, free lifetime updates, and suitability for accounts as small as $500. Installation is presented as a 2-minute process. Download the zip, install the indicator plus EA, attached to a chart, and that's it. A VPS is recommended for 24-hour operation. The company recommends Oppo Finance as a broker. Okay. So no independent strategy tester results were available for this review because the product is sold privately through the website, as you can see. The developer provides my FS book strategy links and multiple FTMO challenge screenshots as verification. Public Trustpilot feedback on the company is mixed. Some users report successful prop firm passes, while others describe account blow-ups, delayed deliveries, and dissatisfaction with results or support. Claims of consistent 8 to 20% monthly returns with under 5% drawdown and 90% accuracy are extremely strong. In live markets, such figures are rare and usually temporary. The explicit notes that multi-day open trades in drawdown are normal suggests the system may hold positions through adverse periods rather than cutting them quickly, a behavior that can produce smooth closed trade curves while floating equity swings more widely. Any system sold primarily for prop firm challenges carries the additional risk that challenge passing settings may differ from sustainable long-term settings. The requirement to contact Telegram for license delivery and the emphasis on not running other tools on the same account are typical of this style of commercial EA. Honestly, the features that matter most are independent verification of the My FX book and challenge results under realistic conditions, the actual risk settings used, whether the system uses any form of recovery or position stacking, and the total cost of ownership, including VPS. Aggressive marketing claims should always be treated with skepticism until independently confirmed. As for the nuances, implications, and hidden risks, high monthly return claims combined with multi-day open drawdowns can hide path-dependent risk. Prop firm results do not automatically translate to long-term life profitability. Mixed public reviews indicate both successes and failures. In practice, demand clear risk parameters, test thoroughly on demo with the exact settings provided, never risk more than you can afford, and treat any 8 to 20% monthly targets as aspirational rather than expected. Past results never guarantee future performance. You can see that the EA costs $647 to $747 based on the options. So you can choose for either MT4 or MT5 or both MT4 and MT5. Okay, so this EA may suit traders who specifically want a commercial prop firm oriented system, are willing to follow the vendor's Telegram guidance closely, and accept the possibility of multi-day floating drawdowns. You should strongly avoid this EA if you prefer transparent MKL5 market products with public strategy tester results, are uncomfortable with private Telegram delivery and license management, or cannot tolerate the marketing style claims of high monthly returns. Beginners should be especially cautious. Overall, I would say the Alpha EA Incubator is a commercial multi-pair system marketed for prop firms and live accounts with strong performance claims. Independent strategy tester data is not publicly available. Verification relies on vendor provided my FS book and challenge results, while public reviews are mixed. Thorough independent testing and realistic risk expectations are essential. Always trade with money you can afford to lose. If you found this helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more honest EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which EA to cover next. Don't forget to grab that free Forex robot from the description too. Trade safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.